Printers for medical offices, fast and reliable. Title: Printers for medical offices, fast and reliable. Introduction. Efficient and reliable print management is crucial for medical offices to maintain smooth workflow and ensure optimum patient care. In this digital age, the role of printers in healthcare practices cannot be undermined. From printing patient records and prescriptions to generating reports and labels, a robust printing system is essential. 1. Importance of printers in medical offices. In medical offices, printing plays a vital role in various aspects of daily operations. From communicating with patients to sharing medical information among healthcare professionals, printers are the backbone of documentation management. They facilitate the quick dissemination of critical healthcare data, allowing medical staff to make informed decisions promptly. Moreover, printed documents serve as a reliable source of information for record-keeping, compliance, and maintaining legal documentation requirements. 2. Speed and efficiency. Fast print speed is a crucial factor in medical offices as it directly impacts patient care and overall productivity. In time-sensitive scenarios like emergencies or urgent prescription printing, a printer with high-speed capabilities ensures immediate access to crucial information. Fast printers enable healthcare providers to obtain lab results, imaging reports, and other essential documents promptly, aiding in quick diagnosis and prompt treatment decisions. Moreover, the ability to print large volumes of documents quickly helps reduce wait times for patients, making the overall experience more efficient and satisfactory. 3. Reliability and durability. When it comes to printers for medical offices, reliability and durability are paramount. These printers need to withstand demanding work environments and heavy usage without frequent breakdowns or malfunctions. Regular maintenance tasks and interruptions due to printer failures can disrupt the workflow, causing delays and affecting patient care. Investing in printers designed specifically for medical industry ensures long-term functionality, reducing the risk of downtime and increasing overall reliability. 4. Security and data protection. Medical offices deal with sensitive patient information that must be protected to comply with privacy regulations like HIPAA. Printers equipped with advanced security features, such as Secure Print ELISA, encrypted printing, and user authentication, help safeguard patient data throughout the printing process. 5. Intuitive user interface. An intuitive user interface makes using printers in medical offices easier for all staff members, from doctors and nurses to administrative personnel. Medical professionals are often pressed for time, and printers with straightforward, user-friendly interfaces help minimize the learning curve and maximize efficiency. 6. Print quality and precision. Medical documents often require high-quality and precise printing, especially for vital diagnostic reports, prescriptions, and medical images. Printers that offer a high level of precision ensure every detail, such as small text, intricate graphics, and fine lines, is accurately reproduced. This enables healthcare providers to interpret medical information with confidence, reducing the Excessive errors or misinterpretations. Accurate print quality is essential in medical offices to ensure efficient communication among healthcare professionals and enable reliable patient care. 7. Cost-effective printing solutions. Medical offices need to consider both the upfront cost and ongoing maintenance expenses while selecting printers. Opting for cost-effective printing solutions will help reduce overheads and enhance financial viability. Printers that offer features like duplex printing, energy-saving modes, and low ink consumption contribute to substantial cost savings over time. Additionally, choosing printers from reputable brands known for their reliability and durability ensures long-term value for money. 8. Compatibility and integration. In a digital healthcare landscape, seamless integration between printers and other practice management systems is essential. 9. Maintenance and support. Regular maintenance and timely support are essential to keep printers in medical offices running smoothly. Medical offices cannot afford prolonged downtime or interruptions in printing operations, as it can have a significant impact on patient care. Therefore, selecting printers that come with reliable maintenance services and technical support is crucial. This ensures that any issues or malfunctions can be promptly addressed, reducing the risk of extended downtime and maintaining continuous workflow efficiency. 10. Wireless and mobile printing. In today's fast-paced healthcare environment, the ability to print wirelessly and from mobile devices is highly advantageous. Wireless printing allows healthcare professionals to conveniently print documents from any location within the office, eliminating the need for multiple wired connections. Mobile printing offers even more flexibility, enabling medical staff to print documents directly from their smartphones or tablets. This feature is particularly useful for quickly accessing and printing information on the go, enhancing convenience and efficiency in medical offices. 11. Environmental considerations. Medical offices, like any other organization, have a responsibility to prioritize environmental sustainability. Selecting printers that are energy efficient,